Ndewonu ndị be anyị, mma mmanụ ndị Biafra, mma mmanụ ndị Igbo. This is Ngozi Chukwuka Adaobi Ijele from the Igbo Renaissance and Affinity to Biafra. I want to talk about these people who come out to say that Igbos hate themselves. They must be absolutely sick in their heads. Now, what I'm going to say here today is this. Igbos, sell your brand. Igbos, sell your brand. Igbos, sell your brand. Promote yourself and stop being petty and silly. Ndị Igbo sị na onye onye a na-agba ọka ada achụ oke. Those people whose homes are aflamed don't hang around playing games. Listen, the issue at hand now is not Igbo issue. It's Biafran issue. Every group of people, every culture, every society have their own internal issues, disagreements, quarrels and squabbles. But that doesn't mean they hate themselves. Igbos are one of the only few people in the world who genuinely know what love is. Communalism. Everybody knows this. This is the only thing about us that everybody loves about us. And yet we get some few empty brained, bleached brain Igbos that come out to talk rubbish at a time like this, when our home is ablaze, when our roof is burning, and they're talking about petty little things like little silly kindergarten children. Listen, it is only Igbo people who care about themselves and one another so much that no Igbo person is a person. We don't belong as a person. We eat so we can give to the rest of our Igbo brothers and sisters. That's why we have Omunna. That's why we have Omunne. We need to get it into our head, the difference between not loving yourselves and wanadi. I fall out with my sisters. I fall out with my brothers. But that is just what it is. But you touch one, you touch all. Now that is hardcore love. Now, the thing about Igbos is that they always like it when people, external people, outsiders, particularly light-skinned white people, tell them things about themselves. So I'm going to tell you today what G.T. Burston said about you in his book, Niger Igbos. He said, this group of people maintain close contact, cemented and sustained by strong tribal bond of union. When they are away, when they are abroad, away from Igbo land, they build their own amenities, and after taking care of their own immediate needs, they support schemes to benefit their communities. They are very generous in their gift. It is only Igbo people who get together and build schools, hospitals, roads, water for their communities. No other people do this. So stop acting out your colonial imprint legacy of self-hating, self-condemning. You are a very special species of human being. There is no other one like you. So love yourselves, and be proud of who you are. And whatever issues you have, leave it behind. Right now, we are not talking Igbo. We are talking Biafra. Okay? There's a difference. When we get Biafra, let's see how much we go killing ourselves.